Definitely love coming home to a huge box of brand new S3 products. Stay tuned for the reveal. So today we're going to be installing the Maverick X3 transmission brace. Comes with everything needed, instructions, got the tools. It's a 10mm, 13mm, T30, a couple wrenches, pliers to take off all this stuff. So we're going to be taking off the springs on that rear cover, and the transmission brace is going to go right into there, somehow hooked to those holes there. So we'll figure it out. Stay tuned. So we got to take this rear cover off. So you got a Torx 30 up in there, that corner, and then the lower corners there, and that one's done falling off. Don't know where that one is. She gone. So to mount the S3 transmission brace, you got to take your springs off your exhaust. They're pretty tough to pull, trying to get leverage on them. So what I did was I wrapped like a 16 gauge wire around the loop. Get your pliers, and now you have easy leverage. And all you got to do now is pull it, and there your spring pops off. And that was with my left hand. Pretty easy. That's pretty much it. Just wrap the wire, and you can use it as leverage. Okay, so next to mount the S3 transmission brace is you got to take out the exhaust bolts, the muffler bolts. So there's two 13mm bolts backed by nuts that you need to use a wrench on. Kind of tough to get into. And there's two on the right side and two on the left side. Same location. The 4 springs pop off, again using that wire method, super easy. And then this whole thing will just pop right off. So now we have access to the plate where we're going to be mounting the transmission bracket and the transmission right there. So let's get to it. So we removed the 4 OEM bolts that were holding the transmission bracket on. Those 4 holes, they're backed by nuts as well. That pops off. The new S3 transmission brace pops in its place where those 3 holes will line up on the transmission. It just lays perfectly flat. The bolts are supplied with the S3 kit from the side. You can see the holes there in the bottom, kind of dark, but you get the gist. Little Loctite, and then reverse order.